Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in today's video, I want to go over some YouTube channels that help me grow my channel. So we are going to begin with Think Media. Think Media is a really cool channel that helps you on how to grow your channel. They give you a lot of tips and tricks, with lighting. They really give you good video ideas. They do a lot of YouTube shorts just to give you an overall idea on how to grow your YouTube channel. So I suggest go check out Think Media, really good channel that helped me grow my channel as a new YouTuber. The next channel I want to mention is Ethan King. He teaches you how to grow your channel from the ground up. It's exactly what it says in his banner, guys. He's really good at giving you different strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to get subscribers, how to do it the right way without violating the YouTube policy. So a really good channel on, if you're less than 1,000 subscribers, I definitely think you should go check out Ethan King. He gives you a lot of good advice, and he really helped me grow my channel, with hundreds of subscribers. So go check him out. Next channel I want to mention is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a really good channel that I like to use, and I also use TubeBuddy also to work with my title, my description, and my tags on my channel. TubeBuddy tremendously helped me grow my unboxings and my tech reviews on my channel. They also helped me gain hundreds of subscribers by using TubeBuddy. I think I pay like $7.20 for 12 months or something like that, don't quote me. And another YouTube channel that actually got me on the go wanting to start filming and picking up a camera, of course, is the legendary Casey Neistat, who's up on his game with vlogging. Casey doesn't really make that many videos anymore. He vlogged for like 5 or 6 years straight, did it daily. He's like the godfather, if you will, of creating YouTube videos. Casey Neistat really encouraged me just to get on the go and pick up the camera. Well, that's where I'm going to leave this video, guys. Hopefully these 4 YouTube channels will inspire you. Go check them out, guys, and it should give you a great jump start on starting filming and on YouTube. And just to get you guys out there should be no excuses. Check out these YouTubers. Well, that's where I'm going to leave this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, guys, later.